welcome back to my channel, Reading with Eddie. And today, I'm going to recommend a book all about Minecrafters. If you're new to Minecraft, this book is really fun and you should definitely read this book. The book is Hacks for Minecrafters, and the unofficial guide that other books I will not teach you. And it's the Redstone edition. And you can learn all about Redstone stuff. Now in this, you can learn about these stuff like TNT cannons, and we have much more like automatic doors and furnaces, hidden traps and staircases, automatic wheat or sugarcane farms, mob pistons, grinders, and much more. And spoiler alert, okay? This book also teaches the magnificent vending machine. And if this offends you a lot, and you're like, oh, I'm so offended, then you should run and you go to your nearest supermarket and buy all of this stuff and go running and hold this book over your head and say that I'm seriously offended. This might not help you a bit, but it's funny. Okay, so this book, Hacks for Minecrafters, Redstone, it's really cool. And if you ever read the series, you should read the series. And what's your favorite book? Because this book, it teaches you Redstone. And if the other books, like we have the Classic Edition, Command Blocks, and much more. Do you know what's a NOT gate, an OR gate, or a NOR gate, which is a NOT and an OR gate combined? Do you know what that is? If you don't, you can learn this in the book, and this is like a all-in-one guide, Redstone basics. And don't forget, November nonfiction is coming up, and in that month, I'm going to recommend all nonfiction books. If you like nonfiction books, you better come up and you should get November. See you next time. Bye. And write down the comments below what's your favorite Hacks for Minecrafter books. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.